So I've got an investment property in Sandringham, which was flooded during Gabriel, and found that it needed to be rebuilt. And so looking for the most painless way to have that process completed. GJ's was my first contact point in the process of rebuilding the house. I chose to build with GJ's because our neighbour had built with GJ's. They were very happy with the process, very happy with the build quality and the communication. My perception of GJ's was, I guess, that they were a trusted brand, but possibly that they just do, I guess, sort of cookie cutter sort of builds. And I was thinking that they'll just be buying a set house off the plans. But once contacting them, speaking with Mark, the architect, he gave me reassurance from the start that it would be a personalised build to what my needs were. And he gave some really good points early on relocating the house to utilise the site better, and then also the layout of the house. We had a few conversations around that to get that perfect as well, which at the end of the day came out great. From the start, I felt I had control over the design process without the hassle of having to go too deep into researching things or checking about quality or checking about other things involved with the build process. Coming from a house that had flooded, I was looking for ways to mitigate that happening again. And then also, I guess, been able to build the house on piles gave me confidence. I think the things that were important to me with the build process, or with this GJ Gardner home project, was that the finish of the product, quality of the workmanship, and I guess also being able to personalise that to my needs and potential, because it's an investment property, to be able to be a universal home that would suit several buyers at the end of the day. The communication with the team throughout the building process was great. You get weekly updates about what they've achieved that week, what they're looking to achieve next week, and also you get long-term milestones about what they're looking to achieve at certain points along the way as well. And then what I also enjoyed along the way was actually being able to come on site, talking to the drain layer, talking to the builder, and then them giving you confidence that they're doing a great job and seeing the work in progress, which was also good. But they want to make sure that the house is built well, so they've got experience about different products and what's going to last, and recommending the right products for an investment homes. I've been through a renovation process, I've been through a new build process, managing most of that myself, and then coming onto the GJ experience where they've taken control of all of the hassle and the pain, and they've taken that away from me. I felt that was just being able to measure that difference, and the whole process has been great. After completing the building process, I'd definitely consider GJ's being my first call if I was wanting to do another project again.